Hello everyone and welcome back to our CSS course, and today we are going to learn about CSS position. Position helps you control where elements approach and on your web page. It's an important skill for making layouts. Let's get started. I hope you remember how to connect a style file. If you forgot, here look at the link in my head. First, I create an element and add a class. We will be using this class in our CSS file to show all the position properties. Absolute, relative, fixed, static, and static. Thanks to these properties, we can control our elements on our page. Static. This is the normal state of our elements. If I open the window, nothing changes. Relative. This property helps to control our elements. Now we can use new properties like top, left, bottom and right. Additionally, we can use z-index to control the stacking order of elements. Absolute. This positions the element relative to its nearest position ancestor if there is no such ancestor. It positions it relative to the initial containing block. We can move the element anywhere on the page using the top, left, bottom and right properties. Fixed. This positions the element relative of the browser window, even if we scroll. The element stays in the same place on the screen. It is often used for headers, footers, or sidebars that need to remain visible all the time. Sticky. This is a hybrid of relative and fixed position. The element is treated as relative until it crosses a specified point on the screen, after which it is treated as fixed. This is useful for creating effective links, sticky headers, or sidebars. Let's look. By using this position, you can control the placement and behavior of elements on your web pages, creating more dynamic and responsive design.